Hey everybody, it's Disintegrator. We're back with a newly tuned and calibrated JX3P equipped with the Kiwi Technics Kiwi-3P upgrade. And I'm going to do another audio demo, and once again I'm going to say for the record, everything you're going to hear here is my own content. It is not licensed material from somewhere else. It is not cover tunes. It is not otherwise published material. And if it can be said to be published, it is published by me. It is, I own the rights, and I am publishing it under Disintegrator Music Incorporated. So with all of that boilerplate out of the way for the folks at YouTube, let's begin. We're starting with the string 1 patch, which is the A1, and we'll just go from there. String 2. Organ. Organ 2. Organ 3. Brass 1. Brass 2. Get the idea. Electric piano 1. Electric piano 2. Clav. Harpsichord. Vibraphone. Chime. Celesta. Accordion. Get the idea. Voice. Definitely a good solo voice. I wouldn't use it for chords. Violin. Flute. Oboe. Song whistle. Sounds a bit like voice to me. Synth brass one. Synth brass two. Disc guitar, distortion guitar. Juicy funk. Again, I just made that up. That's mine. Nobody else's. Filter flow. I really want to avoid the folks at Google thinking I'm somehow using someone else's music. Apparently, enough people have stolen other people's music on YouTube. Now you can't play an instrument without being accused of it. These are just chords, guys. Just messing around. Okay, moving on. Fat fifths. Remember that didn't sound so good last time? Well... Clockwork Orange Ultraviolence. Sync wah. Sync sweep. Funky clav. I just made that up. That is not commercial music. Pulsar. That's cool. I'd make a Fraggle Rock joke right now, but that might be perceived as someone else's content. Okay, Planet. That's a long decay on that guy. And finally, Jet. Off to Hawaii. Okay, that's it. The Kiwi Technics Kiwi-3P upgrade, fully tuned, sounding nice. And there you go. We're done.